So, are you looking for the best signals for binary option and cryptocurrency? You have come to the correct place. Just now, for a little while, these signals will be completely for free. So act fast, because very soon I will start to charge for it. But if you join right now, you'll have free signals forever. But if you join maybe a few months from now, or days, I don't know, I will start to charge for it and you will need to pay a monthly fee to be a part of the signals. So first link below the video and you can get started with the best signals for binary option. Signals last for 5 minutes. You take a signal and 5 minutes later you either have lost or you have won. But for now I have seen the signals is giving around 90% win rate, so that's what you're getting. Also for cryptocurrency, it's the same deal, only there you take the signal and you wait for the opposite signal to close and sell. So, what are you waiting for? First link below the video right now and get the signals completely for free, no strings attached. Okay? So join right now and I hope you make a lot of money using my signals. Have an amazing day.